Welcomes to Chemistry Exam Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this video, we are going to discuss about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So, in the topic, what are the things we are going to discuss? First, initially, introduction. Next one, limitations, and then mechanism, and then finally few examples. First we are going to discuss about introduction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation are two other examples of electrophilic substitution reactions. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation are two other examples of electrophilic substitution reactions. So how they will ask the question? Objective. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, which type of reaction? That is called electrophilic substitution reactions. Next one. These reactions are particularly important because they allow the construction of large organic molecules by adding alkyl or acyl chains to an aromatic ring. This is very important point. You have to remember this point. What is that? In the type of reactions are particularly important because they allow the construction of large organic molecules by adding alkyl or acyl side chains to an aromatic ring. So look at the reaction. This is benzene, this is alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid, aluminum trichloride to form alkyl benzene. Benzene reacted with alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid. So here aluminum chloride to form alkylated benzene. This is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So benzene reacted with acyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid, here aluminum trichloride to form acylated benzene. This is the acylation reaction. Alkylated benzene. This is alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So you have to remember these reactions always. What are the changes from reactant to product? In between, what we are adding, in the presence of what. So we have to remember all the things. Then only we will get idea about that reactions. If suppose they are giving some examples. So instead of R, methyl group, instead of X, so chlorine. So what we will get product? So methylated benzene. So we have to remember these points. Okay. Suppose here R in the sense CH3 means here CH3CO, this benzene ring. So we have to remember always. Next one. Alkylation of aromatic hydrocarbons is achieved by using a mixture of alkyl halides and aluminum trihalide, Lewis acid. So alkylation of aromatic hydrocarbons is achieved by using a mixture of alkyl halide and aluminum trichloride. Suppose acylation of aromatic hydrocarbons is achieved by using a mixture of acyl halide and aluminum trichloride. So only alkylation means alkyl halide using, acylation means acyl halide using. That's it. Next one. The function of Lewis acid is to generate strong electrophile related to carbocation for attack on the aromatic ring. The function of Lewis acid is to generate strong electrophile related to carbocation for attack on the aromatic ring. So look at the reaction. Aromatic hydrocarbon is reacted with alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid, form alkylated benzene. So here R and X. R in the sense what? Methyl, primary group, secondary group, tertiary group. R nothing but methyl, primary, secondary, tertiary, and X nothing but chlorine or bromine. Chlorine or bromine. We have to remember this point. Next one. The reaction is closely related to halogenation of aromatic ring. So this Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation is closely related to halogenation of aromatic ring. A complex is first formed between alkyl halide and Lewis acid. We will discuss in the mechanism these points. What is that? First step, a complex is formed between alkyl halide and Lewis acid. Next one, this complex is attacked by pi electrons of aromatic ring to give a resonance stabilized arenium cation. Resonance stabilized arenium cation. The base abstracts a proton to yield the substitution product alkyl benzene. So first step, a complex is first formed between alkyl halide and Lewis acid, and then this complex is attacked by pi electrons of aromatic ring to give a resonance stabilized arenium cation. The base abstracts a proton to yield the substitution product alkyl benzene. Next one. Variety of alkyl halides can be used Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Variety of alkyl halides can be used Friedel-Crafts alkylation such as primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl chlorides and bromides. See, I am writing here, this is the methyl chloride or bromide, this is primary, and then this one secondary, alkyl halide, and then tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary butyl chloride or bromide. Here secondary propyl chlorine. So you have to remember this one. So like this, alkyl halides used in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, means here we can write it CH3, CH2, Cl, ethyl chloride or ethyl bromide. This is the primary in the sense one carbon connected, only one carbon connection. Secondary in the sense carbon connected 2 methyl group. Tertiary means carbon connected 3 methyl group, that is tertiary. This is normal methyl chloride. So this is primary, and then this is secondary. See, chlorine attached with one carbon. Here chlorine attached with this carbon, but that carbon is connected 2 carbon, and then here see this carbon, this bromine attached carbon is connected to the 3 carbon. So which means tertiary. Next one. Since carbocation can be generated from alkenes, which means olefins or alcohols, therefore alcohols and olefins are reacts with aromatic compounds in the presence of protic acids. We already mentioned what is that alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid to form carbocation, but another way also the carbocation will form. What is that? Carbocation can be generated alkene or alcohol in the presence of what is that? Protic acids. So here benzene reacted with olefin to form tertiary butyl benzene in the presence of phosphoric acid. So here what is that? CH3 CH3. How abstract the proton? CH2. So this double bond abstract proton from the phosphoric acid to form tertiary carbocation. CH3. So here CH3 and then so here carbocation, tertiary carbocation. Okay, C plus. Okay, tertiary carbocation. Then this tertiary carbocation reacted with benzene to form the alkylated benzene, which means tertiary alkylated benzene. So here tertiary butyl benzene. Next, so here they give an example, isobutene. Next one. So benzene reacted with propyl alcohol in the presence of sulfuric acid, the temperature 65 degree Celsius to form isopropyl benzene. So here isopropyl alcohol, how it's generating carbocation? This OH means here double bond is the means lone pair is abstracts the proton from the acid group. So it will go away water molecule. So to generate the secondary carbocation. Okay, so like that. So we have to remember these are the points. This is the main points. Okay. So next one. Strong electron attracting groups on the aromatic ring slow down or prevent the reaction. Strong electron attracting groups on the aromatic ring slow down or prevent the reaction. For example, nitrobenzene may be used as solvent for alkylation reaction. Nitrobenzene may be used as solvent for the alkylation reaction. Next, substituents that have an unshared pair of electrons such as OH, NH2 coordinate with Lewis acid, thus the yield of reaction is very low. These are the major points. What is that? Strong electron attracting groups on the aromatic ring slow down or prevent the reaction. So for example, nitrobenzene may be used as solvent for the alkylation reaction. Substituents that have an unshared pair of electrons such as OH, NH2 coordinate with Lewis acid, thus the yield of reaction is very low. Next, limitations of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So what is the limitation? Major point, the Friedel-Crafts alkylation suffers from two practical limitation or disadvantages, that is isomerization and polyalkylation. Isomerization and polyalkylation. See, the carbocation are generated initially in Friedel-Crafts alkylation of aromatic hydrocarbons, and then molecular rearrangements are sometimes observed and isomeric products are obtained. Not what we need, that product is not formed. Instead of stable product is formed, which means the product quantity is very less according to this isomerization and polyalkylation. That is the major limitations of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next, the alkylation of benzene. So here example they given, the alkylation of benzene with N-propyl chloride. So what we expecting? N-propyl benzene, but here we are getting what is that? Isopropyl benzene is major product. So see the isopropyl benzene as a major product and only small amount of expected N-propyl benzene is obtained because the initially formed intermediate primary N-propyl carbon and then rearranges to stable secondary isopropyl carbon prior to its attack on the benzene ring. Initially, what is that? Primary carbocation it is forming, then 1 to hydrate shift is happening, so stable secondary carbocation is formed. So finally we are getting the isopropyl benzene as a major product. Next one. So here that is the example. What is that? Benzene reacted with N-propyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid. Here used aluminum trichloride to form isopropyl benzene 60% and N-propyl benzene 40%. So here which one is more stable? Isopropyl. This one. This is the more stable because secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. So stability of carbocation we have to look. Tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. We have to remember in the carbocation manner these points. Sometimes they will ask this question in exam. What is that? They will give some 3 different types of carbocation, which means like primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation, or sometime benzyl carbocation they will give. So they will ask the stability in the sense, so which compound is keeping the carbocation more time, which means it's not losing that original form. So that is called stability. If suppose the tertiary carbocation, so in the 3 side is there methyl group, so it will keep that carbocation more time compared to primary carbocation. Next. So mechanism we already discussed. What is that? Already in the points where we discussed. The first point is alkyl halide is reacted with Lewis acid to generate the complex. Alkyl halide is reacted with Lewis acid to generate the complex, cation and anionic complex. So here this chlorine goes to here aluminum Cl4, AlCl4 minus, then here generating the carbocation. Next step, second step, what is that? So the primary carbocation goes to 1,2 hydrate shift, the form secondary carbocation complex. Then this one is reacted with benzene to form the alkylated product. Here this is what is that? Humine. Okay. So mechanism, another one point. So we missed here. So here I am writing what is that? This next step, benzene. This is the carbocation. I am writing the only C plus. Okay. Okay, I will write full things also, then only you will get. See, abstract this connected with this one, what we will get? This one, and then so here it's forming the, what is that? Carbocation. So in the delocalization, this bond will goes to here, then carbocation position will come here, and the way this one goes here, and then so here carbocation positive charge will come here. So finally what is that? Hydrogen abstraction happened, then this stable product will form. Finally this one will form. Okay, so like that. Next one, examples, some few examples. Benzene reacted with 1-chlorobutane in the presence of Lewis acid, here given aluminum trichloride, to form N-butyl benzene and secondary butyl benzene. So here which one is major product? Secondary butyl benzene, because secondary carbocation is stable than primary carbocation. So which means this secondary butyl is the major product. Next, second example, benzene is reacted with 3 molecules of methyl chloride in the presence of excess of AlCl3 form mesitylene. Sometimes these reactions always asking in the exam, competitive exams, they will ask these kind of reactions, because some of the people they will think only one methyl group is means connected with benzene, but the answer is this is the right one, mesitylene. So in this video we have discussed Friedel-Crafts alkylation. First, initially introduction, then reaction, then mechanism and limitation, and finally examples. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video to your friends and others, and please subscribe this chemistry exam channel, and please press bell icon of this channel. Whenever we are uploading new videos, you will get notification of this channel. Whatever the video we are uploading, you will get notification. Already we have uploaded many videos about the chemistry, important topics in chemistry. So go and subscribe this channel and go and use it. Then you can, whatever you want, you will get the ideas. Thanks for watching this video.